Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Crunchyroll account. It's pretty simple. So first thing, you want to search for Crunchyroll. To search for Crunchyroll in your browser, just click on where it says Crunchyroll, watch popular anime. So if you do not know what Crunchyroll is, similar to Netflix, but in Netflix you get to watch series, whereas in Crunchyroll you get to watch anime. So once you're over here, at the top you can see the little person icon. Click on it and click on where it says create account. Once you click on create account, it's going to take you to the account creating page. Now over here, just enter your email address, whichever email address you want to use. But remember to use the email address you have access to, because in the future, when you lose your password or you want to recover your account, you need to have access to this email. And where it says password, enter the password for your account. After you enter the password for your account, what you want to do is click on create account, and then an account will be created. It's as simple as that to create a Crunchyroll account. Now after you create an account, click on login, and then it's going to take you to the login page. Now over here, enter your email address, whichever email address you used when you created your Crunchyroll account, and then enter the password of your account. After you enter the password, click on login, and if the email and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your newly created Crunchyroll account. It's that simple. And remember, after logging into Crunchyroll, you need to pay, because to use Crunchyroll you need to pay like in the monthly basis. They charge around $5 per month or something like that. But you can also try the 14 days free trial as well if you want. That's it for today's video on how to create a Crunchyroll account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time.